Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to bring you the best of the best. Today, we are diving headfirst into the world of power tools to unveil the ultimate companion for all your DIY adventures, the best cordless drill. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting to explore the realm of home improvement, this video is your one-stop destination for finding the perfect drill that will revolutionize your projects. Get ready to be blown away as we unravel the most powerful, efficient, and versatile cordless drills on the market. Our team of experts has meticulously researched and tested numerous models to ensure that we bring you only the top contenders. So, sit back, relax, and let us guide you through the exciting world of cordless drills, helping you make an informed decision that will take your craftsmanship to new heights. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max XR. There's a reason you see so many DeWalt tools on pro jobs. They're rock solid, reliable and cleverly designed, and this 20V XR brushless compact is no exception. It's been built specifically for working in tight spaces, with a quick and simple bit change, a bright white LED so you can see what you're putting holes into, a steel belt hook and magnetic bit storage to keep everything to hand. It's built to survive the lumps and bumps of proper work, and its two-stage aluminum transmission is built to last. There's just one battery pack in this drill/driver kit, a 2Ah XR Li-ion battery. But what you lose in batteries compared to other DeWalt deals, you gain in functionality. The XR brushless compact has 15 clutch settings and a powerful hammer function for tougher jobs. This model also comes with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows drill diagnostics to be beamed to a smartphone. It also allows site managers to set geolocation tags to ensure tools don't go missing. Number 2. Porter Cable 20V. Small and compact, the robust Porter Cable model belies its diminutive footprint with some serious performance credentials and an overall build quality that outshines its relatively low sticker price. The powerful motor delivers a meaty 370 MWO of power for heavy-duty applications with minimal stall, along with a multi-setting clutch transmission that is 1,800 max RPM for a variety of drilling and fastening applications. Handy and clear battery indicators at the foot of the unit make it easy to see when reserves are running low. But this great value package features a fast charger and spare battery unit, so you're never without juice. Number 3. Bosch PS2202. Designed with very tight spaces or overhead work in mind, the ultra-compact, 2-speed transmission pocket drill has been designed to handle most driving and drilling applications without the excess bulk. Although conceived with electricians, HVAC professionals and those operating in tight spaces in mind, the Bosch PS2202 is also great for home DIY jobs, seeing as it's 40% lighter than the competition, therefore easier to wield. With an updated EC brushless motor, an all-metal gearbox and improved electronics, this cordless drill can perform many installation or framing applications. It has a 2-speed transmission, with a 0 to 400 RPM high torque setting and a 0 to 1300 RPM high-speed drill setting. This kit comes with two 12V batteries and a high-speed charger, meaning even the lengthiest jobs can be tackled without fear of running out of steam. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max. A crazily good deal at the price, this twin pack includes the DC-D771 drill or driver and powerful DCF885 1/4 inches impact driver to tackle all manner of drilling, driving and fixing jobs. There's no hammer action on said impact driver, that's not what it's for, and the LED light is a bit feeble. But the drilling performance is still highly impressive, and the simple, keyless chuck is cool too. Also included is the DC-D771 drill/driver that features a high-speed transmission that delivers two speeds, 0 to 450 and 1,500 revolutions per minute, for a range of fastening and drilling applications. Both of these tools are very good standalone products, but in a pack with two batteries, for this price, they're very hard to beat indeed. They also form part of the DeWalt 20V Max system and are compatible with all 20V Max batteries, chargers and accessories. Number 3. Makita 18V LXT. Makita practically invented cordless tools, and it's a trusted brand in the trade for its reliability and power. They're not remotely cheap, but if you're a pro, semi-pro, or just want the best tools, you'll be glad you spent the money. The 18V LXT is arguably the most approachable, user-friendly and best geared towards the home DIY enthusiast. Although it is certainly tough enough to handle professional jobs for years. Compact and powerful, with 440 pounds of torque, The drill features Makita's excellent star protection communication technology that allows the star protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, overdischarging and overheating. That means a longer life for the drill, motor and battery. Extreme Protection Technology, XPT, is also engineered for improved dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions.